Hey guys, this is 3 clips here with SMA Trading, and you're looking at a screenshot over here, which I'm really proud to share. This is the humble beginnings of what was soon to be known as the crown trade for SMA Trading. The date you're looking at here is April 21st, 2020, and we had taken a trade here with about 100 private students under teaching and mentorship that I've been teaching underneath the radar. And you can see right here, I was actually in the middle of a session right here with this. There's the guy over here. We're in the middle of a Zoom conference. So I'm not just a teacher. I have to practice what I preach. So I'm also a trader, not just a teacher. I show and I demonstrate the power of these concepts because I know they work. I've been in this field, in this business for 11 years, and I know what works. I know what doesn't work. And I know how to play these markets to put the probabilities in my favor and to lean into it with a very low amount of controlled risk and still make massive, massive returns. And I help other traders to utilize these concepts that I teach with SMA Trading to increase their performance. I know every trader is different. So I just want to go into the charts, what it looked like back then. So let's look quickly at this chart. This is the after pick. You can see that this was our entry over here, right? This is now what the chart looks like today. And today is July 31st, 2020, a couple months later. So this trade over here, we had entered, and now you can see there's a lot of stuff drawn on my charts, right? But there are no indicators on my charts. We did this without any indicators. So what you're looking at here is the date of the entry and the precision of our SMA entry over here. Our entry was at this price level here, a little bit different here on Coinbase, but overall was the same thing. Our stop was just below here, right? And it went quickly in our favor. Notice that, right? We got in where the smart money was getting in, and it went quickly in our favor. When the trade started going in our favor, right, our original plan was to target around the 11,000 mark, right, using our strategies, and we actually went sideways instead. So there was a change in the market. And through trade management, it was actually a really good testament. I'm really kind of glad Bitcoin had done this, because in this time, it was really a good comparison to see how SMA Trading and my teachings compare to what's out there in the traditional books, the education fields. Other traders have been trading for 10 plus years. It was a really good comparison. It was a good test. And that's why I guess we use Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is very difficult for some traders because it is heavily manipulated. It is very volatile, but we test our principles. We put it to the test and prove that they work on this asset. And it absolutely does work. We're just looking at the profit here potential of what we're up today right now. This, we're so proud to share, this is 100x currently today from where it is at. It's at 101x right there. But this trade turned out even better. So not only were our strategies pointing that we were still likely going to be hitting our target with high probability, a lot of traders were bearish in this point here, right? And it was great to see that we were looking at things that no one else was looking at. I still today have not seen people point out the things that SMA Trading was pointing out. But I know that because we don't use any indicators, we look at price, time, and volume. We focus on what the smart money is doing, and a lot of the traders, they're not doing that. They're looking what their indicators are telling them. They're not actually reading markets, they're reading indicators. And that's what we help traders to move out of, to start learning to read markets instead of trying to read their indicators. And through that, we help them become and reach different and higher levels of performance and success. So we actually managed to double dip this trade. So it's actually not just 100x. We actually did this in front of thousands of people. Some people even followed us here. This currently up right now, this is up 53 times return right now. So this stuff is absolutely amazing and absolutely does work. It turned out even better than we anticipated. Sometimes things go according to plan, sometimes it doesn't, sometimes things go better than according to plan. And this was just a perfect testament for the power of SMA trading. I encourage you, come take a look at this stuff. This is like nothing you've ever seen.